tell us about these puppets you did, alright? Whenever we create puppets, I often rely on the sketches, you know, because I believe puppets themselves exist in the principal sketches. Anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to show you some of the puppets, the different puppets that you can do. Okay. Today what we're going to do now is we're going to show you the different puppets that we've made with this type of puppet, okay? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here's the plan. Geez, what these strange creatures yourselves? Okay. I am Fangboner. I welcome you to my theater of doom. Not bad, huh? Oh, I got one more. I'm wearing a pith helmet because I just got back from Africa. You were? I was big England. You were? Yes, indeed. What was that? Monopoly. Okay. Rolling. And action. Hello? I'd like to speak to Ted Man. Oh, sure, yeah, okay, one moment, please. What's my leotard? Right here. How about my cape at the left, huh? Oh, yeah. Wait, hold it. Got both feet in one leg. You know, something to the habit. I'm pretty sure I got the cape. Okay, I got it now. Your mask. Got the mask. Whoops. Sorry. You know, straight. Yeah, you're all set, kid. Go get him. Ted Man speaking. What's that? I don't know. That sounded a lot like a winded vampire. I pressured shit while they were gone. I was very thoughtful of you. Here, let me help you with your cape. You want a hair one there? I don't want to get a wrinkle. Right on. Oops. Hold it. Got feathers all over your suit. Feathers? There. You look fine. Thanks. Okay, kid. Yeah, no. That's gotta be the first time I ever answered a telephone that went, yada 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 yada! Oh well.